What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when the Wi-Fi icon is not showing up on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Sometimes, system components can behave unexpectedly. If your Windows adapter suddenly stops working, resulting in a missing Wi-Fi icon, power flashing might be the solution. To do this, press and hold the power button for 60 seconds to turn off your system. After waiting for 10 to 15 seconds, turn on your system and check if the issue is resolved. Your Wi-Fi network adapter might get disabled automatically. Open up your control panel and navigate to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. From here, click Change Adapter Settings and right-click your wireless network adapter to enable it. If it's already enabled, try disabling and then re-enabling it. Windows comes with built-in troubleshooters for various components. Running the Internet Connection Troubleshooter can help identify and fix issues. To access this feature, open up your Windows settings. Under System, head to Troubleshoot. Here, under Other Troubleshooters, find and run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter. This might take a couple of seconds, and Windows will attempt to diagnose and fix Wi-Fi related problems. The WLAN AutoConfig service is essential for your Wi-Fi functionality. If it's not running or set to automatic, it can cause issues and sometimes prevent the Wi-Fi icon from showing up on your Windows PC. To ensure it's functioning correctly, open up your Windows Services Manager by searching for services.msc in your Start menu search. From here, select any service and start typing WLAN AutoConfig. Right-click the service to access its properties. On this window, stop the service if it's running and then start it again. After restarting the service, you'll be required to restart your PC in the hopes of getting your Wi-Fi icon back. A corrupted network adapter driver can prevent communication between the hardware and your system. To address this, open up your Device Manager. On this window, expand the Network Adapter section. Right-click the network adapter you are using and select Update Driver. On the next window, select to search automatically for driver software. This will take a moment to update your network adapter driver. If all else fails, consider resetting your network settings. This action will reinstall all network adapters and reset configurations to the default values. To do this, search for Network Reset in your Start menu search. In your Settings window, click on Reset Now. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.